Hi everyone, welcome back to Fix Office. Is your Wi-Fi showing connected but no internet on your laptop or computer? It is incredibly annoying. But don't worry, in this video I will show you this easy way to fix the problems quickly. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Network Reset. First, let's try the easiest fix. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen, go to down the taskbar and right click on the start button. Now click on the setting from the menu. Inside setting, look at the left sidebar and click on network and internet. Great. Now scroll down on the right side until advanced network setting. Click on it once. Here look under more settings and click on network reset. You will see a button that says reset now. Click it now. A small window will pop up asking you are sure. Click yes. Now your computer will automatically restart within 5 minutes. Then close the button. Go ahead, manually restart your computer right now. After restart, check your internet. Method 2. Command prompt flush. If that first did not work, let's try the second method. Go to the bottom search bar next to the start button. Type CMD. You will see command prompt appear. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. This is very important. Click Yes if pop-up appears. Now a black screen will open. Type exactly what I type. ipconfig /release and press enter on your keyboard. Now type ipconfig renew and press enter again. This is reset your IP address. Finally type ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter again. Excellent. You will see a message saying it successfully flushed the DNS resolver caches. Type exit and hit the enter to close to Windows. Check your internet is working now. Method 3. Network driver refresh. If you show still offline, let's refresh your network driver. Right click on the start button and select device manager. A new window with the list will open. Look for network adapters and click the little arrow next to open expand list. Find your wireless or Wi-Fi adapter set. Usually says wireless or Intel or Realtek. Right click on it. Click on uninstall device. Warning. Do not check the box that says attempt to remove the driver from the device. Just click the uninstall button. Your Wi-Fi icon might disappear. Don't panic. Go to the very top of menu of device manager. Click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. Window will automatically reinstall your Wi-Fi driver cleanly. Close the window and try connecting to your network again. One of these 3 steps will absolutely fix your issues. If this video helped you get back online, please hit the like buttons and subscribe to Fix Office. Drop a comment below telling me which method worked for you. See you next time.